Hey, Sam back here. Welcome to this bonus page for Sales Envy. Now, I'm excited about this software. In just a moment, I'm going to pass you on to Mark. He's going to show you what this software does and exactly why they created Sales Envy. But down below, you'll see a number of white label bonuses as well as a step-by-step walkthrough of the software itself. Now, this software, what it's going to do is it's going to allow you, if you say are looking to call up businesses, or if you're working with a company that has, a cold calling component or calling component part to it, it's going to allow you basically to go ahead and save a lot of money because it connects up with Skype. It's a calling solution that connects up with Skype that allows you to make unlimited calls, contact unlimited people, keep track of the people that you're managing, that you're calling. You can write notes, you can add different details and actually add people to calling funnels where you can make sure they're followed up with and you close the sale. It's a really useful tool if you do any calling in your business, or if you're planning to cold call or call any type of leads for any of your businesses, or if you're dealing with clients that actually call manually right now from a phone, because Skype obviously saves a lot of time because you don't have to dial all the numbers. It's going to be a free solution, practically free, because it costs next to nothing to call from Skype, and you'll be able to do this all from your computer. So here's Mark with the demonstration of what the software does and why you might want to use this in your business or help a company with this as well. And just a quick note before I pass you on to Mark, if you are working with a company, I believe there's an agency upgrade, and there's more details about that down below. So there is an extra cost if you're doing this for an agency. I just wanted to make sure I mention that. But yeah, here's Mark.
What's one of the biggest frustrations as a business owner you have when it comes to making prospecting calls, cold calls, and sales calls? Advanced dialing technology. Let me explain. Whether it's just you or a team of salespeople, the most important component of making prospecting calls, cold calls, and sales calls is the actual phone technology. You are probably used to auto dialers and have experienced a lot of their headaches by using such auto dialer systems. And sure, there are tools available to do this, but most of them are very limited. For example, some of the calling solutions out there use outdated technology, causing you to spend more time trying to piece together other important components such as your CRM or email autoresponder. Not only is this frustrating, but I can almost guarantee that there are prospects and customers going through the cracks, causing you to lose sales and even more, profits. The second problem is out of all the solutions available, all of them cost a fortune. They typically charge you a high monthly bill or per minute rates, which results in lost profits for your business. Fortunately, for sales-driven businesses like mine and yours, telephone technology has become more affordable with Voice over Internet Protocol. Voice over IP for short is a technology that allows you to make voice calls using a broadband internet connection instead of a regular landline phone. We were tired of paying so much to make sales and prospecting calls and created a solution of our own using Voice over IP technology, and it's why we created Sales Envy. Hi, my name is Mark Thompson, and we've developed Sales Envy, which is a web-based CRM and call solution that saves you money by utilizing the most popular voice over IP provider, Skype. This saves on your outbound dialing by integrating with Skype's unlimited calling plan for as low as $2.99 per month. This system also leverages other providers of voice over IP. The most cost-effective and simplest solution is that you can integrate with any other carrier you may already have today, such as Vonage or even your mobile network carrier through SIP settings from your account. Each agent installs a lightweight desktop component that speaks to your account stored in the cloud and provides all the features Sales Envy provides from the comfort of the agent's desktop. Imagine having a tool that allowed you to do everything under one roof without the limitations the other guys have. Make unlimited calls, use unlimited minutes, manage a CRM with unlimited contacts. It doesn't matter if you are a network marketer, affiliate marketer, real estate agent, insurance agent, B2B sales professional, distributor, or use Sales Envy for anything else. You can use this powerful system that can skyrocket your sales and profits. Let's say you have to make hundreds of calls weekly, which also means hundreds of prospects, and each prospect typically has to have tasks assigned to them, or follow up, or to be scheduled, and even have a custom email sent to them. And if you have over 2 or more systems that are designed to take these tasks, then you're wasting hours trying to get things done. Then, not to mention, you're switching screens when dialing, pasting notes, logging activities, or manual punching numbers into systems. There's no need to blame yourself because these options simply weren't available before Sales Envy. Sales Envy allows you and your team to make outbound calls and put it into an easy-to-use system that has been battle-tested not only to save you money, but also time in the process. With Sales Envy, you can do things like schedule a prospect right within the calendar system in Sales Envy that directly connects to your Google Calendar. And what about the daunting task of knowing exactly the next steps a prospect needs to become a sale? We've got you covered on that as well. With Sales Envy, you can create tasks specific to your prospect. Whether you want to email your prospect on a specific date, schedule a follow-up call, or set a time to meet with your prospect, you can accomplish this with Sales Envy in one interface, never breaking the flow from switching screens or applications. Because we also understand the process of prospecting, we've got you covered on other game-changing features as well, such as sales script viewing, which is simplifying the art of the sales script. While on the call, a rep can quickly select from a menu of dynamic scripts to say the right thing consistently every time. This adds consistency to your sales process. Sometimes it's hard to get the reps to cover all the points and say things the right way each time. Now you can. And you can even add notes on the fly while using a script for the call that you are on. Another thing we've added into Sales Envy is the ability to record any call to be reviewed by yourself or a manager at a later time. You also have the ability to schedule meetings right within Sales Envy that integrates with your favorite calendar system. While on the call, a rep can quickly select from a menu of pre-built meeting events and then send off a calendar invite for that event to the prospect. This feature allows you to increase your sales by setting up meetings while you're on the phone call, resulting in more sales. With Sales Envy, we have features that make prospecting and selling a breeze. And with our advanced dialing technology, you have the freedom to grow your business without the crazy monthly costs involved. We also have features such as the ability to email your prospect right from within Sales Envy. While on the call or after, you can send a dynamically generated yet personalized email right from the system and select from the predefined templates to send. Now you can send the right message in the right way with one click. We've also given you the ability to use the drop voicemail feature. Play an automated, recorded voicemail, never having to say the same thing twice. Do it right once, record it, and let the system do it for you every time from then on. We've also given you the ability to manage your sales pipeline right from within the app, so you know exactly if a prospect is at the meeting stage or ready to buy from you. There is no tool available on the market that does everything that Sales Envy does. Not only that we make tracking and viewing data a breeze with our intuitive dashboard, track how much time your team is making, how many voicemails are left, how many emails are sent, what is your connect ratio, which templates are working the best, and how much time is being spent on certain calls. This intel will allow you to grow your business. And you may be thinking, for a tool like this, and with what all the other competitors are offering in the marketplace, a tool like this will cost a lot of money to gain access to. And of course, we could charge what old software companies charge, and it would totally be worth $300 per month plus per minute rates. But we wanted to change our industry with this game-changing tool. We wanted this accessible for not just huge companies, but for the everyday salesperson as well. That's why we're not going to charge you hundreds of dollars each month, plus have the ability to leverage Skype's affordable unlimited calling plans, so you don't have to worry about ridiculous per minute fees. In fact, we are going to offer this amazing tool at a whopping 80% off. This amazing deal for such an advanced piece of software won't be available for long. And think about it, other tools on the market that don't have as many features like this are charging hundreds, and with the per minute fees can result in thousands per month. And now for a limited time, you can gain access to Sales Envy at an 80% discount, which is guaranteed to increase your sales. And just to make sure that this tool does everything and more that we said, we are offering a full, no-risk 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you are not satisfied with Sales Envy, simply reach out to our support staff and we'll issue you a full refund. That's how confident we are that Sales Envy will help you increase your sales. With Sales Envy, you can combine CRM, dialing, email, and tasks all from within one platform, and while reducing your overhead costs. Now, I must warn you, a traditional license with Sales Envy is $30 per month per license, and we are only opening this up one time as a lifetime license through this launch. At any moment, we can close down this one-time payment option and go back to the per license offer. Make sure you don't miss out and grab one of your spots today. To get started with the Sales Envy dialing platform, simply click the button below, and remember, this deal might not be available for long. So click below, and we look forward to seeing you in the members area.